Galing, di ba? Yung buhok mo, kaya mo balak magpagupit. Ang fresh mo, dun.
Ha? Eh, saan?
Ayun, oh. Ano ginagawa niyo dito? Go back to your classrooms. Good morning, class.
Good morning, Marius.
You may now all take your seats. For our homeroom today, we will announce the honors.
Tawag si Steve, sa kanila na ata eh. Uy, baka ikaw yun. Palukol na ang mga grades mo. Talaga ba?
Boys at the back!
Let us now start. With honors, with the average of 91, Marinel Caseta. Now, for with highest honors, with the average of 98.72, we have a three-way tie. Sofia Osorio, Liam Perez, and Clara Glorioso. Congratulations to our honor students for this quarter. Palakpakan nyo mga sarili niyo. Corresponding the announcement, I have received the news that a selected student from our batch will receive a prestigious scholarship. The scholarship has many incentives, and I was told that the special student will come from our section. That's the hint of our end of class. You are now dismissed. Goodbye and thank you.
Uno, dos, tres, años.
Sir, I believe that the answer in the equation is 42. It's the only logical solution from the equation that you gave.
Sir, actually, the answer here is 42. Considering the other variables in your game, 43 is the answer.
Grabe, sobra naman yung sinasabi ninyo.
Actually, sir, the answer is 41.5. Based on the quantum movements that it's more accurate.
Appreciate your enthusiasm, but I still think I need to hear a few more answers. Thank you, but I didn't actually call you. Settle down now.
I'm sure I'm right, Liam. Ingit ka lang because I'm smarter than you.
I've been studying this all week, Sophia. Won't you just let me finish?
Oh, please! You're both acting like it's a life or death situation. It's just a class discussion, oh. Shh! No! All of you! Settle down or I'll have to send you out of the room. Hey, Rose! Are you sleeping? To the principal's office, now!
Eros, I don't want to keep seeing you here. You're a bright student. You need to focus more on your studies. Maybe let's be honest. What do you want?
Okay, class, time is up. Ibigay niyo na ang papel niyo. Finish or not finish?
Uy, minis to.
Finish! Oh, ano nakakatawa? Akin ang papel niyo.
Excuse me, Sir Alvarez.
Oh, ano yan?
While taking the test, I saw Leo using another sheet of paper in his bag, apart from the newspaper. I think he's using it as a cheat sheet.
Ito ba sinasabi mo?
Yes, sir. Nice.
Sige, ako sabi ko sige.
Thank you, sir. I mean,
Okay, class, bago tayo mag-check ng ating mga test paper, Mr. Perez, may I see you for a moment, please. Ito ko sa akin. Okay, Mr. Perez, sabi na isang kaklase ay meron ka raw cheat sheet. Totoo ba ito?
Ano po cheat sheet? I would never po. Sino po nagsabi sa inyo?
Sofia, tingnan mo nga ang bag ni Mr. Perez at hanapin mo ang cheat sheet niya. Explain ka, Mr. Perez.
Sir, I would never cheat. Alam mo, Sophia, you planted this cheat sheet. I would never cheat. Alam mo, Sophia, you just wanted me to fail para pumasa ka. Alam mo, Sophia, napaka-uhaw mo sa grades. Hindi sa akin to. Hindi sa akin, sir.
Ayan ka na naman, Liam. Bintang ng bintang, left and right. Hindi ko naman kailangan mag-plan ng cheat sheet para lang pumasa ako. Babagsak ka talaga kasi mas matalino.
Oo, napaka-obvious naman. Alam mo,
Tama na! We will settle this later on. Mamaya na. Now, you can go back to your seats. Go.
Sophia, may ninakaw pala sila yung kay Sophia. May ninakaw daw sila kay Sophia. Ano ba ba siya? May ninakaw daw sila kay Sophia.
Ano ba? May gusto kay Sophia.
Maybe Sophia's parents want to ruin Liam's chances. Maybe Liam's parents did something to Sophia's parents, kaya ganun.
Blah, blah, blah. Sophia did this, Sophia did that. Where's your evidence, huh?
Alam mo, Sophia, ayaw mo pa rin ba umamin? Lantad na lantad naman kung ano yung ginagawa mo. Tiga mo naman, punong-puno. Tiga mo, sinungaling. Ayan pa, sinungaling. Alam mo, Sophia, umamin ka na lang na hindi ka na mapahamak pa. You're such a spoiled brat. Alam naman natin lahat yun.
Excuse me? Grabe, parang mas intense yung away nila today, ah.
Di ba? Nung in-announce yung scholarship award, nag-away sila para cats and dogs. Di ba, part kayo ng top 3? Sama nilang dalawa?
Yes.
Mabuti na lang, hindi ka tulad nila.
Yeah, actually, alam mo, I heard that yung pamilya ni Sophia, they're pushing for her to sabotage Liam, to increase her chances.
Yeah.
You didn't hear it from me though.
So that means...
I don't want to interfere, pero hindi naman worth it na mag-away at manira ng iba, all for a scholarship. Better to not think about it too much na. Review na lang muna. Ano to? Elisa S? Ano to? Elisa S? Elisa S? As a student, it was always my dream to get a good scholarship. My family pushed and pushed for me to achieve that, whatever it takes. And so, during my time here, I did everything I could do to make that dream come true. I sabotaged my fellow classmates, turned them against each other, hoping na baka makaligtaan nila ang scholarship na pinag-aagawan ko. Spread rumors, false accusations. I did so much for that dream. So much, just so maipagmalaki ako ng parents ko. I finally got it all. Pero at what cost? Mabigat na konsensya, sleepless nights, and even more pressure from my family. What I would give to turn back time and just undo all that I have done.
Good day, my dear students. Alam kong today is the day na pinakahinihintay nyo. The Scholarship Awarding Ceremony.
My gosh, parang alam ko na.
Nakakaba naman.
Now, settle down. Now, I know na maraming speculation about who received this scholarship. Ang scholarship na ito ay ibinibigay lamang sa karapat-dapat na estudyante na may mabuting puso at integridad. Ang estudyante ang karapat-dapat sa isang scholarship ay hindi nanghahamak ng iba gamit ang madaling paratang. Hindi ba, Ms. Osorio at Mr. Perez? In addition, ang estudyante ay karapat-dapat sa isang scholarship ay hindi din naninira ng iba gamit ang chismis at maling impormasyon. You see, inimbestigahan ko ang mga sabi-sabi na kumakalat sa ating eskwelahan. Aking laking gulat nang malaman ko ng lahat na ito ay nanggagaling sa iisang estudyante. Sa isa sa mga top students ko. For your cruel and rather disappointing behavior, Sofia Osorio, Liam Perez, and Clara Glorioso will not receive the scholarship award.
Grabe
shoutout to, napahiya pa sila.
Absolutely no. Parang sa scholarship.
Dapat dinala ko na mix sabi ni Clara. Hindi lang talino ang tinitingnan namin. Ang scholarship na ito ay para sa estudyanteng may mabuting puso, integridad, at hindi sumusuko, anuman ang dumating na pagsubok. Sa kabila ng kaguluhang nangyayari nitong mga nakaraang araw, may isang estudyanteng nag-stand out. Hindi dahil sa pagiging uhaw sa atensyon, kundi dahil sa ipinakita niyang dedikasyon sa pagtulong sa iba. You deserve this, Eros. Naway pagbutihan mo pa at maging inspirasyon sa lahat. Maraming salamat po, ma'am. na nangyari sa akin. Hindi na to tama. Kailangan ko nang magbago.
Kita ko yung people si Dita. Ang galing-galing mo.
Oh, congrats ulit!
Mama sa mga. Thank you.